Alrighty guys, so today is, as you guys can kind of see, we've got a nice big package here today. And as you can see, we've got a package going all the way down here. It is big. And the reason why it is so big is because within this is going to be, I'm going to tell you, this is the last package that I will open here. That I'll open here. My monitor will be opened at the new place. So I'm getting a monitor for my gaming setup, which I will do that on my main channel probably. Take a look at that through Gaming Meta Rocks. But here, this is Matty Mad Sneakers. So anyway, let's get right into this. This package right now. I just need to poke a hole somewhere so that I can at least get the package ripped open. Okay. You guys can already kind of see what these are, just by the thing, you know. Okay. Okay. Got one box. I don't think I'm going to be able to open it up a lot better if I do it this way. Now they come in this package. I don't know why they did it this way. It could have easily just could have gotten in a box that I could have easily used for it. Now, both of these, one of these shoes is out of stock, by the way, and that shoe, this shoe is going to be out of stock for whatever. It's got maybe the last time I looked at this, well, where did I set my phone? Okay. Let me go to YRU, and double check real quick. Hold on. Where's my orders? Just so that I can... Okay. Wrong thing. Here we go. The shoe that I did buy, one of the shoes I did buy is out of stock. And the other one, is almost out of stock, on their website. So you might not be able to get them in your size. for both of these. But the first one is completely out of stock. So I just wanted to let you guys know on that. We'll take this out. So let's actually let you guys see it first. Okay, you guys can't see it, but anyway, let's do it this way, so you guys can kind of see these. First off, in action, they do get you into this thing. You guys can kind of see what's all about. These shoes, if you guys cannot see it, we'll take out the other one, the other partial of it. But we're just going to show you the one design choice. You guys will see them on feet, but this is the first pair of shoes. Hopefully they will fit my beautiful feet. These are the last size 8, so if these do not fit me, then I am going to actually tell you, these shoes are already look like they're worse for wear. These probably are like the, for whatever it's worth. But that's the first set. Okay. Then they give us that little silica bag that they always give with this stuff. You guys get the returning label in here. Okay. Now, we're going to take this one out as well. This next one's going to be a little bit bigger for your guys' viewing. These are going to look like, these ones are a brand new set of shoes that are released. The other ones are not, but they are new to me. And these shoes are like the ones I have with the Dunes. Okay? Like the Dune set. But they are called Glitch. They are supposed to be like a rainbow set, but they're called Glitch on the website. There are a reason for that. Why that they are called the Glitch. And then it also comes with that little thing, and then the other one down below. So, anyway, these shoes are something that I am very happy with. Now, the last thing I'm going to say about today, this is the last probably unboxing for this channel. I mean, literally, it will be the last time before I buy anything before June, before July. I will not be buying anything physically until after June 16th. And it won't be shoes, it won't be things like that. But this is going to be there because behind me, all of my shoes are going to be off the shelves. And I'm going to be wearing exclusively these shoes for a while. I will only be wearing the other ones for a while, as well as my Pride stuff when June starts. June starts, these are what I'm going to wear first off. June is always going to be that month where I'm going to wear Pride, and it's going to be, that's the only time of month that I will wear shoes or wear Pride stuff. Pride stuff full year round. I'll still wear it around every once in a while, but this lady's always going to wear that through June, at least for sure. So June 1st, everything is going to be Pride for it. I do celebrate that. One last thing I'm going to say about this is that if you guys want to get these shoes, links will always be down in the description. You guys can also check out the other videos here on YouTube at the end of the video, of course. I will have a content video down at the end of the putting these on with actual what I'm wearing and stuff. So I am wearing jeans. I'm gonna probably wear this outfit, the Care Bear shirt, the jeans, my jeans, and then these for that. And then there will be a couple other styles in here as well. So hope you guys enjoyed. Remember, hit that like, hit that beautiful subscribe. Now I will tell you, these shoes, okay, YRU. When I bought YRU, all of my shoes, I've had a couple pairs of shoes out of all of the YRU stuff have been falling apart. So just be aware that when you are with these may not be what you want, may not last as long as you want them to. They may last for at least a year or two. Remember, these things were expensive, but I actually spent, on all of this, I spent about $130 on all this. These shoes are worth $130. Those shoes were free. I got them off of 50% off sale, because they're on sale. So you can do that if you use, like, I think it's like Save 50 or something. There's always a code floating around through YRU that you can find, that you can get 50% off on stuff. If I don't have the code down there below, then you won't be able to. But anyway, so let me leave it here for today. Remember, check out these videos at the end. Check out the lookbooks here, and we will see you guys later. Remember, this channel will not have anything coming out until June of next year. I mean, not June next year, until July, possibly, as the earliest, at the earliest. The latest will probably when I get a job and find a job that I can do things. So I won't be buying shoes. I have to get a job first before I do. I am leaving. I am moving. So that's why a lot of the content is going to be. So if I didn't, I would have gotten another set of pair this weekend. But because I am moving, I am not. No more physical goods unless I get it like local physical goods. I'm not buying anything. So anyway, yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe. When you hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification. We'll see you guys later. Bye. Rainbow.